wanted to make my 2020 birthday special, so I planned to visit the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. And am I glad I did? Like, what have we been doing after that since? It's been 6 months of house isolation, and that's it. Anyway, I actually answered that when the lady asked me at immigration why I wanted a US visa. I said, I want to go to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter for my birthday. And it actually happened. I feel like I chose the perfect day to visit the Universal Studio as it was the last day of their Christmas New Year carnival and they had such cute floats. And this is probably one of my favorites because I love Minions. They're so cute. And also, there was a family dressed up as a Hogwarts family. Like, goals, man. Goals. What can be cooler than that?
So I'm in the Fast and Furious Charge Hall and this is a gun and it's been so much fun till now. We've been to Transformers. So we're in the Universal Studios for today. There are 3 parks: Universal Studios, Adventure Island and Volcano Bay. Volcano Bay is the water park, Adventure Island is like the crazy rides, and Studios is mostly indoor rides, like kitty cute rides, but they're still really cool and we're having so much fun in there. But if you're like a fan of adventure rides, I would suggest you to go to Adventure Island, and Studio is more for like kids, or if you like Universal animated movies, then it's for you. Guys, I see something that I love! That's King's Cross! Okay, so that's why Harry boards Hogwarts Express, and this is a dream come true.
You can talk to the shrunken head.
Of course I can talk.
Yeah.
It would be really rude of me not to. So where are my manners?
Visiting Diagon Alley was so surreal. There was Flourish and Blots, Weasley's visiting Weezes. My god, that's a tongue twister. The Leaky Cauldron, yum. And that little fire-breathing dragon at the end, that's Gringotts. And Honeydukes was everything I expected and so much more. Like, anybody who's read the books knows what it's all about.
And this is the Weasleys visiting Weezes. Say hi to Fred and George. Cauldron. So the butterbeers were amazing. We took one regular and one hot butterbeer. We didn't try the frozen one because it's weirdly cold. So we didn't want to try the frozen one because I'm so unwell all the time. The hot butterbeer was like the hot butterbeer was like a Starbucks drink, which is the pumpkin latte. It was like pumpkin spice latte. It was pumpkin spice latte without the spice. And oh my god, the music, the Harry Potter music! Really perfect. Anyway, the regular butterbeer was really nice, so I would suggest you to try that. Yay!
Make your way to the security office, where your Gringotts identification photo will be taken.
The Gringotts ride was so cool. I mean, I definitely will call it one of the best rides of Universal Studio, like the studio. It was great. What do you think?
I totally think that was true, and I can't wait to have more fun.
Okay guys, so it's colder than I actually expected it to be, and it's day 2. We're back. Today we're gonna do Islands of Adventure, but first we're gonna go back to Universal Studios because Hogwarts Express is gonna take us from Universal Studios to Adventure Islands, and I especially took the park to park pass because I wanted to go on the Hogwarts Express. So I'm really excited. And yay! Also, same clothes with like a different hoodie because cold. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold.
Hogsmeade is tiny, Hogsmeade is beautiful, it's quaint, it's charming, it's everything it's been described as. I had so much fun there that I actually forgot to make videos, and the only thing I regret is not making a good video of the Hogwarts castle. But the ride inside the castle is hands down the best ride in all of the Harry Potter universe there. Let me be very honest here, I was so obsessed with Harry Potter that I did not give everything else a chance there. There was so much more, but I was more obsessed with the Harry Potter part of it. I'm sure you understand.
So it's day 3 and we decided to postpone the last day to tomorrow because the weather looks like the weather's gonna be better tomorrow and we want to go to a water park, so that's why. I just wanted to do an outfit appreciation post. I got this from Where Else Guess and it's just really cute. If Buena Vista rings a bell in your head, then you are a true Disney fan. I'm at the Buena Vista ride right now at Disney Springs. Hi guys, so I'm really excited to tell you about this. These cars that you see in the back, these are Amphi cars and they were manufactured in 1961 to 1968, and these like run on land at 70 miles per hour and like the speed of 7 knots in the water. So that's so amazing. They're on both land and water, and this place gives guided tours in water, hopefully in the car. That's so exciting. Hey guys, first of all I want to show off my Slytherin lanyard. I got that from Universal and we are in Universal for day 3, which is Volcano Bay. That's the water park and we're super excited. And I won't be able to make a lot of videos or take pictures because obviously I won't be having my phone with me, but I will put up some pictures like for you to see and know how it was. I will definitely share my experience with you, and I've heard really great things about it, so I'm very excited. We're supposed to be here at 10, but the Uber driver was super incompetent. She was not wearing a belt. She did not know the road signs. She took us on the wrong way. She wasted at least 15 minutes. So I just hope that I get to complete all the rides because the park is open only till 5. Just came out from the water park and it's amazing. It's so good. And the best thing is that since the holidays just ended, there were literally no queues. We didn't have to wait a single minute for any ride. We went, it was right now, and it was amazing because we got to ride everything without waiting. And I'll show you something. So this right here shows when each ride is and when can you read it. When can you ride it? It just changed. Anyway, it shows the names of all the rides and then it shows like ride anytime, right now, or like a wait time. So super cool.